Hello friends, welcome to the new tutorial of MongoDB's shell commands. So today we are going to create collections, create tables in the MongoDB. So you can see that we have jobs and the users. I'm going to create a new table over here. So let's see how we are going to create it. So those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to add any multiple collections. You can add it over here with the help of the command. I will going to tell you db.create collection. Copy this and you need to just enter over here. So posts, okay, it is inserted. So what I need to do is show collections. Okay, this is the command. And see, we have job, posts and users. You can also add one more, that is customers. You can add customers. Okay, and just write over here this, and you can see that show collections. Okay, and see customers db.create collection, customers, jobs, posts and users. You can see that over here. I can refresh the database, refresh, and we have customers, post also. Okay, so this is how we can create the collections, or you can say tables in the databases in the Mongo shell command. Okay, so any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for watching it. Have a great day.